Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered how AI can help with your travel writing? Well, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing many fields, and travel writing is no exception. Imagine having a tool powered by AI that can help you create engaging travel articles or assist in generating unique descriptions of exotic locations. This is where Chat GPT comes in. It's an AI model developed by OpenAI that's designed to understand and generate human-like text. For travel writers, this could mean a whole new way of creating content. You could use it to brainstorm ideas, write drafts, or even get inspiration for your next destination. So whether you're struggling with writer's block or simply want to add a new dimension to your travel writing, AI could be the tool you've been waiting for. Now you're probably wondering how exactly you can use this technology for your work. Let's dive into how you can use Chat GPT for your travel writing. So what exactly is Chat GPT, you may ask? Well, let me enlighten you. Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the prompts it's given. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a bit of a mouthful, but essentially it means that it's been trained on a vast amount of internet text. Now, what sets Chat GPT apart is its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant sentences, almost as if it were a human typing away. This makes it an excellent tool for crafting engaging travel writing. Imagine having an assistant that can help you articulate your travel experiences with the eloquence of a seasoned wordsmith, no matter how tired or jet-lagged you might be. This, my friends, is the power of Chat GPT. Now that you know what Chat GPT is, let's understand how to use it. Using Chat GPT for your travel writing is a straightforward process. Think of it as having a capable and imaginative co-writer, always ready to lend a hand. Now, let's dive into the process. Firstly, you need to provide a prompt. A prompt is essentially a starting point, a nudge to get the ball rolling. It could be as simple as the name of a destination, or a more complex sentence like, describe a vibrant sunset over the beaches of Bali. The more specific your prompt, the more tailored the response. Once you've input your prompt, Chat GPT will generate text based on it. This is where the magic happens. The AI will use its expansive database built from countless books, articles, and websites to create a unique piece of writing. It's like having a library of every travel book ever written at your fingertips. Now you might think, what if it's not perfect? Well, that's where editing comes in. ChatGPT is a tool, not a finished product. Just like any draft, you'll want to go through and polish the output. You can revise, trim, or expand as you see fit. The goal is to use the AI's output as a springboard for your own creativity. ChatGPT is particularly useful for generating creative descriptions. Struggling to describe the bustling markets of Marrakesh or the serene beauty of the Scottish Highlands? No worries. ChatGPT can provide a unique perspective, sparking your imagination in the process. Beyond descriptions, it can also offer local insights. It's like having a local guide who's been everywhere. Want to know what food is popular in a certain area, or the best time to visit a particular landmark? Just ask. Finally, it can help weave engaging narratives. Whether you're writing a travelogue about a solo journey across Europe or a family holiday in Disney World, ChatGPT can help you create a compelling storyline. With these simple steps, you can harness the power of AI in your travel writing. So, why not give it a whirl? You might be surprised at the places it can take you. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We've delved into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its role in travel writing. We've discussed Chat GPT, a cutting-edge AI model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we write about our travels. We've explored how this technology can be leveraged to enhance your writing, from generating ideas and crafting narratives to editing and improving your work. The benefits of using AI in travel writing are manifold. It not only saves you time, but also adds a unique touch to your stories, making them more engaging and insightful. Remember, The power of AI lies in its ability to learn from vast amounts of data and apply that knowledge creatively. With Chat GPT, you can turn your travel experiences into captivating tales that will transport your readers to distant lands and exotic locales. So that's how you can use AI to make your travel writing more engaging and insightful. Happy writing.